We've been having an interesting price action in the market lately. Let's take a look at SPY really quick and talk about the key level I'm watching and my game plan as well. So if you look at the price action of SPY, we pretty much been moving to the upside. The uptrend is just there. You can clearly see we keep making higher highs, and we actually hit the all-time high last week as well. On the downside, you can see from the low point right here, we keep making higher lows as well. And some of the key level I'm watching, we actually established the all-time high at 650. So I'm definitely watching to see if the buyers can actually come back to that level or retest that level. One of the key level I'm watching is the 646 level, and this is pretty much I keep my pivot level I'm watching to see how the price will react. And I have a support trend line right here that I'm gonna talk about it in a second, but let's talk about the 646. So what I want to see here, I want to see the buyers reclaim that 646. If they cannot clear that level right here, there's a good chance we can actually reject and retest that trend line and actually go for the 642. So the 642 is pretty much my bounce level that I'm watching to see if the buyers can actually hold that level if the selling pressure happened to actually show up, because we already saw some type of selling pressure after we actually rejected the 650, making it all-time high. We can see how the rejection actually happened right here, and now it seems like we can actually go back and reject the 646. If we cannot clear this, we can actually reject and go back to the 642. But before going to the 642, we're still gonna have to actually break that trend line. So this trend line is a support trend line that I'm definitely watching on SPY. We actually have a nice bounce right here, and there's a good chance if we reject the 646, we might go back and actually retest that trend line before actually hitting the key support level at 642 right here. So that's something I'm watching, but I'm definitely, on the bullish side of the price action. The two scenario that I'm gonna look to actually short is if you can actually clear the 646, that's where I'll look to the downside movement. And if we actually lose the trend line and mainly losing the 642, then my bearish sentiment will be mostly on. If not, if you can actually clear the 646, then I'm looking for moving to the upside. And if the 642 actually hold, then I'm still looking to make money to the upside. Simple price action, and that's what I'm looking for. And if you can actually clear 650, the all-time high, that's even double bullishness being shown in the price action that the market want to go higher and continue to make new highs in the market. So the simple price action. If you want to receive my free daily watch list, comment the word watch list in the comment, and I will send you a free invite.